Hi everyone, very nice to see you all. So Tayyab is a digital Islamic bank for day-to-day finance for modern Muslims that we call Generation M from double M, modern Muslims. And we are targeting 140 million customers in 20 countries. My name is Ivan and I'm a co-founder of Tayyab. And 1 year ago, I switched to Islam. And I found that there is no existing neo-banking solution that will be Sharia compliant in the market. And all we have is amazing service like Monzo, Revolut, and 26, but they are digital but not halal, and halal services, but they are not digital. So that is why we decided to create Tayyab. Product is a mobile application for payments, money transfers, remittances, and halal marketplace and investments. We have virtual cards with unique modern design that makes sense for the Muslims, as you can see on the slide. We have standard physical cards and premium cards as well. We have neo-banking features like super easy 2 minutes, super fast onboarding, 1 second virtual card delivery right in application, and 0 minimum outstanding balance for our clients. Also, we have exclusive Islamic features like we are not providing interest fees because of prohibition of Sharia law. We have easy charity options like digital sadaqah and zakat. We call it good mode. We have halal investing, spiritual service, halal marketplace, and Jumia on board. So the market is huge. Muslim population globally around 2 billion people, and most of them are living in Asia, Middle East, and Turkey. And when the conventional neobanks are going east, we are going west in the countries with Muslim majority. The business model is representing the 5 key revenue streams. They are interchange fees, premium cards fees, halal installment profit, commission for products sold in marketplace, and the fees on investments. We are planning to acquire 6 million clients in 5 years with break-even in 2023. Next year, we are going to interest into the Kazakhstani and UAE market. And after that, we are going to pick 2 countries per year, inshallah. So why Tayyab is better? Because we are providing a modern and halal solution that are premium, viral, and already have attraction in Kazakhstan. We did a pilot project in just 3 months. We issued 12,000 cards and did 3 million USD in transactions. So our current investors are HSBC, Visa, Mashreq Bank, and the AFC during the acceleration program of Startup Bootcamp that we are graduating early this year. We have team consists of 4 people. All of them has more than 15-year experience in conventional banking, digital banking, marketplace building, marketing strategy, IT development, and Islamic finance. Thank you so much. If you have any question, I will, my pleasure to ask.
Thank you, Ivan. Thank you so much. Judges, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Ivan. I really have one question regarding your product. I want you to walk us through the onboarding process, please, because I'm trying to compare this to what's happening in the UK and the US on the neo-banking side. So can you tell us in few steps, what are the steps and how do you check for fraud and anti-money laundering instantly, and how long it takes someone to issue a virtual debit card, and then are you into issuing also charge cards, which is Islamic credit cards, or not?
Okay, so the onboarding process is the same. Sorry, the onboarding process is the same like in, for example, Revolut. You just downloading the application, then you passing the KYC using by your camera and ID. After that, you confirm your address, and you are on board. So to perform that, we are using the third-party KYC, KYC from third parties and ML from third parties. In case of we are going, for example, like in UAE market, like standalone bank with e-money license. And if we are going in partnership with existing bank, like in Kazakhstan, we are using their services on the back. After that, you can immediately have your debit card on your application using the Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Google Pay. So you can use it immediately.
So and you link the other bank account to this new bank account. This is how you charge your new bank account.
No, at first step, we are not going to link another banking account to.
So how I'm going to add money to my account with your debit card?
Sure, you can top up your card using the bank transfer from your existing bank that you are using now.
But you don't want to link the banks together.
At first step, we are not going to provide this service.
One last question. I'm sorry. So you're telling me right now you're getting a digital debit card that is ready to be used, but you have to make a transfer from your bank to my bank. And what would be the most important feature that I'll get at your side? If I have a bank account already, so what would be the most important feature other than being halal? Because let's assume I'm a Dubai Islamic Bank customer. So what would be the most important feature? What is the real return from having this kind of account?
You mean for you as a client?
Yes.
You will get the service. It will be Sharia compliant, faster, cheaper, and also you can use additional features in one application that we are providing.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
If we have more time, I had 2 questions.
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Melissa. Thank you, Ivan, for this presentation. It's interesting. I mean, I found the features you offer quite interesting. I had 2 questions. The first question, you talked about 3 million US in transactions in your pilot, the pilot that you've done in Kazakhstan, right?
Yeah.
So what types of transactions you are counting? This is the first question. Second question, did you apply for a license in Kazakhstan to do that?
Okay, now can you hear me clear?
Yes, we can hear you, Ivan.
Okay, because there was a problem from...
Yeah, I think Lama's connection is bad. Let me just tell her to stop with it.
I got the question. It's okay. Okay, the first question is when we did the pilot project, the transaction was payments and transfers between our clients, and they paid like on the merchant spots. It's like day-to-day payments. And the second question, according to banking license, so in Kazakhstan, there is no open banking infrastructure, and to have own banking license is quite a long story and hard story for us. That's why we have a partnership with the existing bank that already have a license, and this is fastest go-to-market strategy for us, because we want to be on the market, inshallah, to this Ramadan. It will be 12 April. And according to another country, for example, UAE, there is a regulatory framework for e-money license that we are going to use.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Perhaps the last question?
Sure, Hakima, there is time. Go ahead.
Thank you. Just about eKYC, it's the eKYC is allowed in Kazakhstan or not?
Yeah, Hakima, it is allowed in Kazakhstan, and we can use it. It's okay with law.
Okay.